Alright guys, PicasSolez here. Today, this episode, we're gonna go bigger than we did these last two. We're gonna go up $120. We're gonna go for a $560 mystery box from Solesteals right now. It's actually the same exact size, so I don't know how I feel about this, but you know, we're just gonna keep it rolling. We're gonna keep on doing this. Let's open this. I need some clout cutters, by the way. Should I get the Supreme, like, samurai knife? Or, I don't know, you guys tell me. Let me know in the comments if you have any preference on cutters or box openers. Or knives, you know, utility knives too. This isn't working. I'm gonna have to get some scissors. It actually broke the pen. Are my scissors anywhere there?
Nick. Where are the scissors?
Hashtag PicasSolez.
No.
Hashtag PicasSolez need some scissors. That was rough. Alrighty, $560. For those who don't know, this box is from Solesteals, which is under Soul Supremacy in Newark, California. They're a consignment shop, and monthly memberships are $20, or you could buy the yearly plan for $150, I believe. Every Sunday they have a drop at 3 p.m. Eastern. 3 p.m. Western, 6 p.m. Eastern, and they have they have steals on sneakers. On size, they have auctions, they have clothing, depends on whatever they have in inventory that time. So I recommend looking them up, link will be below. Now let's get into this box. Alrighty, there is some stuff in here. First glance, I'm not too hype about it first glance, to be completely honest. But let's dig into it, and then we'll figure it out. First, okay, we have the black XL Rider's tee. Let's see if it focuses up. If not, I'll just put a picture up here when I see in the editing, so don't worry about it. XL Rider's tee, black, from season 19, so this is like the most recent one. You know, all Supreme shirts in black, I really dig, because they really could go with everything, especially when they have like little vinyl designs like this. It looks like Native Americans, to be honest. They're on horses, and one of them has a musket. So I'm gonna have to look into more of that. I don't know much about that tee. But next, we have a shirt that most people should know. It's TNF photo tee. This one just released this year, I believe. This one's very popular. I really like the yellow color. The yellow's poppin', in my opinion. XO, I think this one's worn, to be honest. I think this one's a little worn. I don't know if this is dead stock. I'm gonna have to look into it more. I'm gonna say it's worn just for the sake of the video. XL, really like this tee. Really like the collab. TNF always comes with solid collabs every year, or every time they do it. And yeah, I'm a really big fan of this one. Let's put this one on the side right here. Leave that right there. Alright, now this one, we have the Supreme, the Supreme Sig Traveler bottle. Okay, this is the second time I got one of these, and my sister destroyed one of these bottles. She had a little tiny dent in it, like, unnoticeable, and she's like, she got really picky about it, and I was like, I'm gonna put it in the freezer filled with water to see if it could like expand it. It broke, like the whole bottle ripped in half. So she's not even gonna look at this because I'm worried that she's gonna break it again. And I gave it to her as a gift, and like within a month, destroyed. She's a savage. Here's another tee. Oh, this one right here. I don't even, oh, this one's dope. This is a hoodie. This is a hoodie with the actual, this is a zip pouch hooded sweatshirt in gray. So that's actually a zipper. If you cannot see, it has Supreme logo right across. It's in heather gray. This one's actually very heavy. So this is like for serious winter. And it's, yeah, zip pouch. So it has a nice little zipper right here. So you can, you know, stash on, right on the logo, there's a zipper. So stash pouch for whatever you may need it for. I don't even know where to put this thing. This thing's big. This thing took up legit most of the box. I'm gonna fold it up and put it right here. And last but not least, this item I'm pretty worried about because I don't know. This is a Jordan 4, I think, or 3. It's an Air Jordan 6. I lied. Completely wrong with the box. But this could be a whole lot of things. I'm kind of guessing this is going to be the infrareds that came out. Let me look. Yeah, I think it is. Let's open up. Indeed it is. It is the Jordan 6 infrareds. The OG colorway. You know, these ones have some history behind it, guys. This one, really nice clear bottoms. This one's unworn. Box is has some creases into it though. But other than that, very nicely done shoe. I really like the nubuck material on this. This one's very clean. However, this material can get scuffed really easily. So you're gonna have to be really careful about it. The only criticism I have about the Jordan 6 really is this ankle thing, the air pocket to like for ankle support. It always makes the shoe a little bit more bulkier. That's why I kind of favor the 7s. But you know, for any Jordan fan, this is like an OG like colorway. Like you're gonna need this shoe. Like I actually really like this shoe. However, it's also a size 11, so it's not even my size. It won't even be able to fit on this. So I'm gonna have to let this one go. But very nice shoes. I really love Jordans. I love the history behind them. Everything about them I love. To 14, and then after 14 it gets a little iffy. Recently, Tinker's been a little weird, in my opinion. Yeah, guys, and that concludes this box. So in a moment, we're gonna be calculating the profits I could get right now if I were to sell all right now and not go like through StockX and GOAT and stuff and Grailed. And we're gonna get back to you and see how much profits we get. This is a $560 box with shipping. So hopefully we could get some money out of this and keep going up. Alright guys, we just looked up StockX and GOAT prices and Grailed prices just to get a guesstimate of what we're gonna get. And to be honest, it seems like we're only gonna make about $40 to $50 profit at best, probably even less to be honest. That's being generous. Personally, I think I preferred the other 2 boxes before and value-wise. Maybe we got 1 or 2 more items in this one, but there was nothing like one big item. The shoes are selling for like $200. If I were to sell now, I'm probably gonna have to hold them or consign them. Yeah, other than that, these items aren't really going too much right now, so it's not going to be an easy flip as the other boxes. This box I'm going to have to probably finagle and work around a little bit. So, you know, hopefully next box we're going to get up higher or get a higher value. Alright, so, oh, by the way, smash that like, smash the subscribe. PicasSolez out.